Welcome to a SIM code. Bybit Security Breach Investigation Report. A forensic investigation into unauthorized activity in Bybit's ETH cold wallet, revealing a sophisticated cyber attack. Incident Overview. On February 21, 2025, Bybit detected unauthorized ETH transactions. Attackers manipulated a transaction facilitated through Safe Wallet. The compromised wallet's holdings were transferred to an attacker-controlled wallet. Key findings. Malicious JavaScript injected into Safe Wallet, AWS S3 bucket. Code altered transaction contents during the signing process. Attack targeted Bybit's contract address and an unidentified test contract. Technical investigation. Chrome browser cache analysis found malicious JavaScript resources. Web archive analysis confirmed Safe Wallet code was modified. Malicious JavaScript was removed 2 minutes after the attack. Safe Wallet AWS S3 bucket findings. Investigation showed AWS S3 bucket modifications on February 21, 2025. 2 different timestamps indicate code changes right after the malicious transaction. Conclusion and next steps. Attack originated from Safe Wallet AWS infrastructure. No compromise found within Bybit's internal systems. Ongoing investigation aims to further validate findings and strengthen security.